Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive. People are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created LiveGood. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the LiveGood products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of LiveGood for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of LiveGood, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the Matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share LiveGood products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining LiveGood in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the Matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the Matrix. What's up, guys? Hey, I'm here with our Director of Product Development, Ryan Goodkin, one of the owners of LiveGood. We're excited to give you a quick tour. Yeah. It's gonna be like 2 minutes, so let's go.
Let's go.
This is our warehouse where we're shipping all our products from. We've got it pretty much packed right now, and we've got a lot more products coming, so we'll see what happens. This is our awesome warehouse guru, Lee Winters, ready to ship your products. So let's give you a quick tour. We're gonna just walk you through. This is our warehouse. As you can see, we're ready. We are stocked. I'll let Ryan talk a little bit about some of the products we got.
Check it out. We got our first protein product on the market here. Super awesome product. 20 grams of protein per serving. The best ingredients on the planet. Plant-based. Awesome product.
You guys are going to love that.
You're going to love it. It tastes amazing.
What do we got here?
All right. What do we have here? Just our USDA certified organic super greens. This is amazing. You want vitality and vibrance? Check out our super greens. Awesome product.
Ryan formulated, he's our formulator, formulated every product, highest quality raw materials and ingredients that we can find.
That's right.
We went back and forth with manufacturers, making sure they did what Ryan wanted them to do.
That's right. Back and forth many times to get here.
Made it happen.
All right, our reds. Awesome. So talk about for circulation, just rich in antioxidants, USDA certified organic super reds. Check it out. Super good taste.
You guys have heard of Super Beets or Organifi?
Yeah.
Better. Oh, I'll do the, yeah, okay. So you guys know I own Skinny Body Care and have been very proud of all of our products. So we brought a few back. They are for a limited time. We may keep them going if you guys really love them and want to keep buying them. But yeah. Instant Youth, Instant Wrinkle Eraser, 90 seconds, wrinkles are gone. We sold a ton of this for $59.95. We're making it available to LiveGood members for $12. Highest quality stuff. Other companies are selling stuff similar for $120. This is better.
Yeah.
Ageless, over 1 million bottles sold for $59.
Wow.
Again, $12 for our members.
Come on.
And this is one of my favorites. I've been taking this. This is part of my morning. This is like my morning coffee. Our E3 pre-workout, electrolytes, endurance, just an amazing product. I've been taking it every morning for literally the last like 3 or 4 years, and we're making that available to our LiveGood members as well. Limited time for those 3 products. But let's continue.
Yeah, we got more stuff to show you.
Real quick. We're coming up on our 2-minute mark.
Right. Moving quick. So we've talked about, Ben, how people need products, right? To not only get healthy, but to stay healthy.
That's why we created the company.
That's it, right? And here's 2 awesome examples of that. Vitamin D3 with K2 and a magnesium complex, the most bioavailable forms of magnesium. Both products needed daily for more than most people can ever, imagine. This is a very necessary product.
And we've got an essentials pack that includes those 2 and a multivitamin that we'll get to in a second. That people need to be taking every day. Next, we got our CBD oil. This is our 1,500 milligrams. Other companies are selling this for like $120. I think we're around 30 something. Highest quality CBD oil. MCT is the carrier. You'll learn more about that. Let's move on. We've also got, we've got 2 potencies. We've got the 1,500 and the 750 milligram. These are peppermint. We've also got the 1,500 and 750 milligram in natural flavor. And we've got our pet CBD, 300 milligrams for your dogs if they have anxiety, just need a relaxer, they've got joint problems. Awesome product. Last but not least, I'll let Ryan finish it up.
What do we have? Oh, the multivitamins, yes. We have a multivitamin in both men and women because, look, men and women have different physiological needs. So that's what we did here. And they're both 24 ingredients, the most bioavailable, best multivitamins on the market.
That's what we got. We got some more stuff coming on the way. We've got a little bit more rack space here, so we gotta Got to start moving some product to make some room.
Let's
But
do
thanks
it.
for watching, guys. See you next time. And it won't take long for you to see why people are calling LiveGood the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.